Sometimes I'll do my best. Okay, we'll still have a whole lot of fun. When we get to the back, it'll probably be a whole lot better. It is a work in progress, but it's better than it was. Cheers. This is SN17, and this boat consists of my two favorite captains, Captain Mike and Captain Alex. So we put our thing all the way back there. So they are going to be the ones that I was talking about. We're getting absolutely this time I need you to put one finger up in the air just like that. Now wave your finger. That was. Thank you, oh, my butt's all scary. Okay, guys, so that is our Hamilton trip. We're going to do a few more of those throughout our trip today. You are going to hear me say, put your fingers up here. When you hear that, I want to see everyone going nice and crazy. So Mike is like, okay, they're ready. And then he'll be first to have Captain Mike and Captain Alex. But also, we are very lucky to be taking us on this boat. This is for once we get down into that portion of the trip. The next important feature for the boat is the bow up here behind me. You may have noticed that all of our boats are super flat up here right across the top. And the nose of the boat is super pointy. The reason why it's felt like that up there is so that when we're going through the rapids, the nose of the boat can dig into the water, scoop it all up, and then dump it all right on top of all of your heads. My friends up here in the first few rows, I really hope you guys can sit up here thinking that this windshield is going to save you in any kind of way. That's exactly what's not going to happen. This thing is going to act more as a ramp than anything. We're filling every last drop of water to every single person on board this boat. Now, I'm sure there's many of you guys that are curious about the engines and the power that we have on our boats here. We're boat tours. When you take a look to the left and right of us, you'll notice how the walls have come up beside us. Those are the one and only Niagara Falls. The reason why it looks like this through here is because about 12,000 years ago, Niagara Falls stood right in this area where we are right now. It's eroded back about 7.5 miles to where it stands today, leaving our beautiful Niagara Gorge in its path. And of course, within the Niagara Gorge, we got the Class 5 rapids, Class 6 rapids, and the whirlpool that you guys are going to get up close and very on our trip today. All around us here, we got 3 different hydroelectric power plants. We got 2 on our Canadian side and 1 on our American side. Our 2 on our Canadian side are Thurrott Effect number 1, which we already had. This guy is Thurrott Effect number 2. And on our American side, just over here, this guy here is Robert Moses. Now this engine there is absolutely massive. But it's important to know, this guy may be big, but our Canadian friends over here, us Canadians, we actually did it first, but they took our idea and called it out. But of course, true American fashion, they took their idea and did it way bigger, way better. This guy actually powers all the way down to Atlanta, Georgia, and about 75% of New York City.
Wow. It's a good thing they got an idea from someone.
And Catherine and Alex like for me to join them at the back, but before we get into the rapids, I'll be back around this thing. yes, the water's starting to get a whole lot more choppy. It's actually getting a whole lot brighter in color too. And some white caps are forming through here. If you can't see quite yet, but I can see it, like you really just you gotta bring it back past the crowd. Coming up to the tail end of them right now. Oh, baby, they are looking beautiful today. Alright, my lovely friends, I would like to officially welcome you guys to Devil's Hole. Be here on our Class 5 Rapids. Now, just a moment, guys, I'm going to speak up on the right-hand side. If you're on the edge on the right-hand side, please keep your arms tucked in beside you. Because once I get the go-ahead from Captain Mike back here, I will join you guys back up. It will hurt, or could hurt. I'm not going to scare you that much. It could hurt if you're going to little slammy. We don't want that. So make sure your feet are down. Your shoes are going to get wet. It's fine. Alright guys, we're going to get going with our little warm-up run. Promise our Mickey Mouse run. This way we just very nicely, politely introduce you to the whitewater without getting too crazy right off the bat. Honestly, just to introduce you to how the boat feels as we go through here and what it's like to have crazy waves coming all the way around us. Keep your feet down, please. Introduction, just to make sure you guys are all really ready for what we're about to do. As if it seems like you guys are, what Captain Mike is going to do for us is he's going to power us on up. We're going to head up river, we're going to come all the way back down for our very first full run of the day. Now once again guys, welcome to Devil's Hole. You guys have my Robbins here in the Niagara Falls. You've got wave heights of and water moving at about 20 miles an hour. It's a beautiful day down here in our ride board. Sunlight really shining on the water. Yeah, great chance of voting. So with that being said, we got to get past these rapids to come all the way back down. But the problem is that one of those big waves sitting in our way. So Captain Mike, this is the opportunity to show off his moves for you a little bit. You can also come down there so I'm first we're going to pop. So big and so powerful. That little maneuver right there, a big reason why we need so much power on these boats. That's about a 20-foot drag that we're climbing up to get to where we are right now. Which is another reason why it's a little bit too dangerous to navigate these waters in just an average boat. And we're really the only ones who'll ever find up here. Okay guys, we're getting all spun around and we're getting ready to go for our very first full run of the day. So what that means for all of you is I need you guys to scooch those butts right back in your seats, sitting up nice and tall with both hands on the bar at all times. Make sure those hands stay there on the bar, alright? Make sure you're looking forward at all times. No twisting and turning. And breathe between the wings. Alright, my lovely friends, we are going to get back close to the water. In 3, 2, 1. go in oh my goodness, those rapids are
근데 이런 거 좋아해.
So what that means for all of you is I need you guys to make sure you're sitting back in your seats with those hands on that bar. Yeah, should be on back. Make sure you are keeping your feet down. I don't want to see your knees fucked up at all. Okay, guys, count down with me and then close your mouths. You got 5, 4, 3,
There's an elephant track. We got all kinds of
같아.